Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add mask image effect in WordPress, and we are going to add brush style on image. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image, and we are going to add custom CSS. So first you can download any image of brush style in PNG format or in SVG format according to your requirement. So we download this image and we are going to display image like this in our WordPress. So this is our PNG format. Now go to image and then you can add CSS class or ID in image widget. So we added brush style and then click on publish. After that go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and then we are going to add some custom CSS. Now add it and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see mask image and then you can add your image link. So we add it. So this is a brush image link and then you see mask repeat, no repeat, position center and then you see mask size 100%. If you want you can use contain, so it's up to you. And then you see transform, rotate 0 degree. If you want you can add rotation like 50 degree, 40 degree on image. So you can add your image link here and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see styling added on image by using mask image effect. So we added brush style. So we use this image on mask. Now you see if you want you can add degree rotation using transform attribute. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.